Hey guys, what's up everybody? I'm Samman Shukla. How are you all? I hope you are good. Today I'm going to talk about my experience through online classes.
Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel OS Smart. My dear friends, today I will share some important information related to English speaking. My dear friends, you can learn English speaking classes free without any charge in whole India, and the institutions provide English speaking classes free, so you can join near your location. And here are some experience by the students of that institutions, and in description I have given the name, my contact number. If you want to know the institution near your location, near your living places, then you can contact me and I can tell you. And this institution is very nice, very good, and you will find that you are able to speak in English within 1 year. And one plus point is also very good. There is campus selection is also provided after 1 year, and with English speaking basic computer knowledge is also provided here. So it is full package for professional job. So you can join this and listen some experiences of the students. Thank you.
Because COVID-19 not for only 1 or 2 months, is it may be 6 months or 1 year. So it will be 6 months or 2 year, 1 year, sorry, 1 year. So that's why we can't leave it, or we cannot stay. So please join again and continue. Thank you so much to listening me. Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. I am Mahendra Kumar Prajapati, a student of FPA session number 8. So firstly we are going to talk about FEA online class. So we all are know that during lockdown we can't do anything and we can't join the FEA classes. So we have two option to do online class. Online class is the best option in the during lockdown, but now we have some problem in the online classes, because sometimes we cannot connect by internet problem. So we have some problem. And FEA is not only about English speaking course or something like that English. So FEA is a personality development course, so we must have to show our body the search, because FEA is a change your behavior, how to talk, how to stand or sit. So we must have to show your gestures. But in the online Zoom classes we have option to show our, but nobody show our gestures, because some environment are not good, because somebody is coming and means like that, disturbance environment. And we can't, sometimes we disturbed by internet, so we are dullness of mind, so we can cut the online class by your himself. So that's why we are, that was the problems of FE online classes. And some good things is about FEA classes, we can join or continue our syllabus, as well as we are can meet to our friends and we can talk to our facilitator. It's very good things. And as we are we can continue our lessons, and we are meet to each other, but some students they not take seriously of online classes. They don't come in the FE online classes. I pray to all, please join again, start from. It doesn't matter what have you lost, but at least start it. We are going to start our FE classes.
Hey guys, what's up everybody? I'm Samman Shukla. How are you all? I hope you are good. Today I'm going to talk about my experience through online classes. If I talk about online classes, then we have a great opportunity to learn something. Believe me, because I'm not talking about bullshit. Believe me, you can learn more things, and this thing will save your time also. And you can take action immediately about your problem by using comment. So you can drop your problems or question in comment section, and you can take session at different time, means whenever you have time or you want, so you can watch easily. And if we are doing great and harder job for us, and we all know that we are aware from this. So I don't know why people don't want to learn or they hesitate. And so remember one thing, this is the correct time to learn something, and FA giving us great opportunity to learn from physically and non-physically both. So we should not make excuses to learn something, and respect our facilitator. Thank you guys for listening me.
Okay, my dear friends, then I hope that you have listened the experience of the students in these institutions. And so if you want to know about more the institution your location, then you can contact me. Contact number is given in the description, and you will find that you can join that institution. In this lockdown conditions, the institutions provided online education, then you can join online. Then when the situation will be normal, then offline classes also you can join. And it is very interesting and very good pattern of study, and you will be very comfortable to speak English. Okay, my dear friends, if you have got the most important information, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel OS Smart, and I will provide such important information. And please comment and tell me your opinion. What do you want to say, or what do you want to know more about the institution? Okay, my dear friends, we will meet in the next videos. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bye bye.